Back guys, and in today's video guys I'm going to be showing you how to redeem an Amex gift card. So let's get straight into the video. On the bottom of your screen you should see a kind of person's icon. You click on that and you look for your account. You click on your account. When you click on your account, scroll along and look for payment section. And when you're in payment section, press your payments. When you click on payments, go in rewards and balances, and it should give you an option with add a gift card promotion code or voucher. So you could redeem a gift card from here. And if this method don't work, you go in manage gift card balance and you take it from here. And that's how you redeem an Amex gift card.